Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. First question, which country will host the 2024 Summer Olympics? A. USA, B. France, C. Japan, D. Australia. The answer is B. France. Second question, which Indian state recently became the first to implement 33-degree reservation for women in the police force? A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Gujarat, D. Odisha. The answer is D. Odisha. Third question, which is the first state in India to have 100% digital banking coverage? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Sikkim. The answer is A. Kerala. Fourth question, who won the ICIC Men's T20 World Cup 2022? A. India, B. Australia, C. Pakistan, D. England. The answer is D. England. Fifth question, which country recently became the world's most populous country? A. India, B. China, C. USA, D. Brazil. The answer is A. India. Sixth question, which Indian film won the Oscar for Best Original Song in 2023? A. RRR, B. KGF, C. Pushpa, D. Jai. The answer is A. RRR. Seventh question, which country successfully landed on the south pole of the moon in 2023? A. USA, B. Russia, C. China, D. India. The answer is D. India. Eighth question, which city will host the G20 summit in 2024? A. New Delhi, B. Riyadh, C. Tokyo, D. Buenos Aires. The answer is B. Riyadh. Ninth question, which state in India has launched the Mukhyamantri Ladli Bena Yojana? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Rajasthan, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Bihar. The answer is C. Madhya Pradesh. 10th question, who became the fastest Indian to reach 1000 runs in T20 internationals in 2023? A. Virat Kohli, B. Shubman Gill, C. Surya Kumar Yadav, D. Rohit Sharma. The answer is B. Shubman Gill. 11th question, which country launched the world's first climate change credit card in 2023? A. Sweden, B. United Kingdom, C. Norway, D. Switzerland. The answer is C. Norway. 12th question, what is the theme of World Environment Day 2024? A. Beat plastic pollution, B. Save our planet, C. Climate action, D. Protect biodiversity. The answer is A. Beat plastic pollution. 13th question, which Indian state topped the Sustainable Development Goals Index 2023? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Kerala, C. Maharashtra, D. Tamil Nadu. The answer is B. Kerala. 14th question, which tech company became the first to reach a 3 trillion market value? A. Google, B. Microsoft, C. Amazon, D. Apple. The answer is D. Apple. 15th question, which animal was declared as the national aquatic animal of India? A. River dolphin, B. Olive Ridley turtle, C. Dugong, D. Starfish. The answer is A. River dolphin. 16th question, what was the Indian's GDP growth rate for FY 2023-2024? A 5.5 percentage, B 6.5 percentage, C 7.2 percentage, D 8.1 percentage. The answer is C 7.2 percentage. 17th question. Which Indian cricketer broke Sachin Tendulkar's record for the most hundreds in World Cups in 2023? A. Virat Kohli, B. Rohit Sharma, C. Shrikar Dhawan, D. MS Dhoni. The answer is B. Rohit Sharma. 18th question. Which state in India recently declared itself the open defecation free state in 2024? A. Assam, B. Bihar, C. Karnataka, D. Jharkhand. The answer is A. Assam. 19th question. Who is the current Chief Justice of India as of 2024? A. N.V. Ramana, B. Uday Umesh Lelet, C. D.Y. Chandrachud, D. S.A. Body. The answer is C. D.Y. Chandrachud. 28th question. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate as of 2024? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Maharashtra. The answer is A. Kerala. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like to our channel.